In the next 60 seconds, something extraordinary is happening inside your body. Right now, your heart is beating, your brain is firing millions of signals, your cells are alive. But the moment all of that stops, something begins. Something science has only recently started to fully understand. Welcome to Bright Step. Today, exactly what happens to your body minute by minute after you die. And what we discovered will completely change how you think about life itself. Let's go. The moment your heart stops, 0 minutes, your brain receives its last signal. In that exact instant, something remarkable happens. Scientists at New York University discovered that the human brain releases a massive surge of activity at the moment of death. More electrical signals than during normal waking life. Some researchers believe this is what creates the sensation of seeing your life flash before your eyes. 1 minute after death, oxygen stops reaching your cells. Every single cell in your body immediately begins sending out distress signals. Your cells do not accept death quietly, they fight. For several minutes after your heart stops, individual cells continue attempting to function, sending signals, trying to repair, refusing to give up. Death is not a single moment, it is a process. 3 minutes after death, your brain cells begin to die. The cerebral cortex, responsible for consciousness and personality, starts shutting down section by section. But here is what science discovered that shocked everyone. CPR performed within this window can reverse the process. People have been brought back from death up to 40 minutes after their heart stopped, completely conscious with no brain damage. Within the first hour, Pallor Mortis begins. Your skin loses all color and turns pale almost immediately as blood stops circulating. The body begins to cool at exactly 1.5 degrees Fahrenheit per hour. Forensic scientists use this precise rate to calculate exact time of death. Your body essentially becomes its own clock. 2 to 6 hours after death, rigor mortis sets in. Every muscle in your body stiffens simultaneously. This happens because without oxygen, muscles can no longer relax. The chemical that allows muscles to release simply runs out. Your body locks in position. This is why the position someone dies in is so important to forensic investigators. 8 to 12 hours after death, rigor mortis begins. Gravity pulls all remaining blood to the lowest parts of the body, creating dark purple patches on the skin. These patches are permanent and tell investigators exactly how a body was positioned after death. Blood does not lie. 24 hours after death, something beautiful and terrifying begins at the same time. The billions of bacteria that lived inside your body, that helped you digest food, fight disease, and stay alive, begin consuming you from the inside. The very organisms that kept you alive become the agents of your return to the earth. 3 to 5 days after death, your body begins producing gases. The same chemical process that creates the smell of death has a purpose. It signals to nature that nutrients are available. Insects arrive first, then scavengers, then fungi. Within weeks, your body becomes an entire ecosystem. Scientists call it a cadaver decomposition island. Up to 400 different species feed from a single human body. But here's the fact that will stay with you forever. The atoms that make up your body right now, your bones, your blood, your brain, are billions of years old. They were forged inside dying stars long before Earth even existed. Change the way you think. Drop it in the comments. I read every single one. Subscribe.